It's about your profitability, ladies and gentlemen. So I've got a shop here with a service rate of $100 an hour. Now I use the word service rather than labor. To me, labor is a negative term. Labor is something I charge for, but service is something that I offer. I got that from my buddy Mark, and maybe if he's watching, I can shout out to Mark. That taught me that, right? Service of $100 an hour. Now, we're going to use a benchmark of 90% productivity and 125% efficiency for an effective service rate of $112.50. Now, here's the thing. This is a really well-run shop at these benchmarks. The industry is running probably at around a 50-60% productivity and about an 80-90% efficiency. So these calculations are actually going to be even worse after we've done the math. But I have to start with a benchmark number to do these calculations to show you, right? So at a 1-to-1 service to parts ratio, meaning for every $100 I sell in service, I'm going to sell $100 in parts, which is kind of a rough rule of thumb that this industry does. So that means that I'm going to have $225 hourly mechanical revenue. You know, I just realized now that I have an annotator here. Give me just a second, and I can grab a spotlight.
Sounds good.
To help people actually see what I'm talking about. There we go. Right? See the little bouncing red dot. Now I call shop supplies materials and consumables. That's my name for it because people understand that better than shop supplies. So the total for this job, with me supplying the part as a shop, is $235 of revenue for that hour. At a benchmark of 60%, that means that I'm generating $141 an hour in gross profit dollars if I supply the part. Now, let's allow the customer to supply the part. $100 an hour, same productivity, same efficiency, same effective service rate of $112.50. But now I have no parts revenue. I might have the materials and consumables. So now I'm at $122.50 of revenue per hour. I still have to pay my technician. So I'm going to pay somebody $32.50 at this sample shop. And so that's $90 in gross profit per hour. That's a loss of $51 per hour.
Mm-hmm. And you got to pay a rent off that 90, right? So you're probably not even paying rent here.
Right. So here's the thing. I'm really a newish number. It's not new to the industry, to my field, but new with me and my clients. Is what's your average cost of operation per billed hour? Do you even know that? If you take all your expenses, you know, the $40,000-$50,000 in expenses that you have in a month, and divide that by the number of hours that you sold, you can actually see for every hour what you made or what you lost, right? And in this case, there's $51 missing. This is an upside down equation by doing that.